You guys are literally the first person that I talked to this morning. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So you read the title, you know what to expect. I have this huge unboxing that is just due at this point, and all the stuff that I got are literally hair related. And so by showing you this product, that is pretty much the equivalent of my hair care routine. So if you're interested to see what I got, just keep on watching. Not gonna lie, I kind of went overboard this time. Like, I'm not joking. Okay, let's start with this little one. This is super exciting because guess what? Your girl got some Olaplex and I actually got a really good deal on this, so I'm pretty sure I will link it down below. Oh yes. Like, if I tell you how inexpensive these were, you're not gonna believe them. Like, seriously, if you're thinking about buying Olaplex, just look that up on eBay because it's so much cheaper and it's the exact same thing. So then moving on to the second parcel, this one is from eBay as well. And you know what the fun fact is? I actually ordered Olaplex at first from Amazon, but then that parcel got cancelled for some reason. And considering that I got a better deal out of eBay, I'm not mad at all. Anyway, let's crack this one open. Ooh. Nice. I mean, you all know I got blonder recently. You all know how much I hate warm tones in my hair and like an ashy color. So I did get some of the Wella Color Charm T18 as always, so yeah, I'm quite stoked about this one. If I remember correctly, this small one is a beauty box, so I will leave that for last and I'm gonna open the big one now. Like, oh my god, this is literally the size of a shoes box and I don't remember ordering this many things, but I guess we'll see what's inside, shall we? Also, can we just talk about the fact that for the first time I'm not struggling opening any of these parcels? Like, what the heck? There's definitely more paper than product in here, but oh well. So the first thing that I got is these LV Dream Length 8-second Wonder Water. I feel like I've talked about this product in the past and I think I have an old review about it, but it's definitely one of my holy grail. I freaking love it. I ran out, so I had to get a new one, and yeah, there's nothing else I need to say about this. So moving on, I also got two more things for my hair, and that is a shampoo and a conditioner. This is the brand that I've been using recently. I think they're quite new. It's called Byee, I think. I'm probably mispronouncing it. Like, I'm 100% mispronouncing it, but this is how it looks like. And the one that I get is the Strength and Anti-Breakage, and it's basically for damaged hair. I am a super fan and I'm about to finish my old ones, so I had to buy new ones. Also guys, this site that I got all these things from is called Look Fantastic, and it's generally so much cheaper than like Boots and like Superdrug for some reason. So if you want to go to Look Fantastic, I'll link the link down below. I have an app as well, which came up quite handy. Then next up, I got a nice face mask from Garnier. This is also one of my top favorite face masks ever. Like, it's a tissue mask, and let me tell ya, what I usually do with this, I put it on at night and then I legit sleep with it, and so I wake up the next morning with this face mask that is still on my face but it's dry, and I kind of peel it. Like, that is the way I use it. It's great. Go get yourself one and text me later. Oh my god, I legit forgot about this. I'm so excited. So I got myself some detoxifying eye caffeine and cucumber from Pixie. Oh my god, I genuinely forgot about this. I'm so excited. Wow. Oh my god, the packaging. So excited. Oh, of course it's closed. Well, shall we crack this open? Shall we? Oh my god. Oh my god. So they have a little like spatula thingy, which you won't even be able to see. And then they have all this like jelly thingy. Oh my god, that is beautiful. Oh, it smells good. They had a pink one as well, but like for my concern, I thought the light blue one was like better. So yeah, I'm super stoked about this. Oh my goodness. Okay, and now before my memory card runs out of space, let's open this bad boy up, shall we? There you have it. Oh my god, I'm excited. I legit forgot what's in it. Tell you what, that is quite slick. Like, look at that. Oh my god. I'm actually quite excited. Definitely interesting. Let's dive into this product, shall we? So we have a literal moisturizing foot mask, which, you know, you can never go wrong with it. Lavender as well, so that is quite cool. Then we have this Comfort Zone Re-Night Cream, moisturizing vitamin cream, and it's for night. This looks very interesting. It actually smells kind of good as well. So then we got a Little Pry Edgeless Throw and Décolletage Cream. If that's how you pronounce it, I have no idea. Oh my god, this smells divine. Like, you're joking, this smells so good. It's definitely quite small. It's like a sample sort of size, but oh my god, the smell. Amazing. So we got 3 more things. The first of them is Balance Me BHA Exfoliating Concentrate. I actually am using currently a BHA exfoliating, just not this brand. So it'll be nice to have another one of that. Oh my god, it smells so good as well. I know this brand. I had like another like cream, you know, a moisturizing cream from them, and I quite like it. So that is exciting. And we got a Grow Gorgeous Intelligent Hair Care. Oh, nice. So this one is Balance Fiber Sealing Split End Treatment. Oh my god, talking about hair care treatment, I'm so stoked about trying this out. Oh my goodness. Yay. I generally totally forgot that this wasn't it. I don't even know if it was in the description, but I'm quite happy with it. Like, let me tell you, I can't wait to try this out. And then next up we got Diego de la Palma Pencil. I don't know if this is meant for your brow or for your eye. It's quite small and it's brown, so I think it's for your eyebrow. But so yeah, that was everything that I got. And can I just say that I saved up so much money thanks to the Look Fantastic app. Like, not gonna lie, when I found them out I was quite skeptical, so I did place an order, but I was like, I never heard of this website, I don't know if they're legit, but they're definitely 100% legit. You guys also get your money worth. I'm definitely in no way, shape or form sponsored by them, and this is generally my 100% honest review. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope you found some inspiration, whether it's for your hair or for, I don't know, your skincare, because we got some skincare stuff as well. So yeah, really hope you find it helpful. If you did, of course, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Tell me in the comments below what video would you like to see next. And other than that, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe for a brand new video every Friday and a music one every Tuesday. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Took one look and I was falling. I knew it from the moment that I saw. Ocean out so deep that I could fall in.